the life the life cycle of the Maven. So in the Maven, we already see some sort of a plugins. That means like it will do some sort of that goal, I mean that task, and it will complete their job. Like it will create the test cases, or it will create the jar file, or it will create the war file, or it will generate the some sort of resources information, where what are the classes, what are the dependencies, all these things are provided, right? So in the same way, we do have in the Maven, there are three different life cycles. For example, the basic life cycle, we used to see that, right? I mean, you understand, right? What do you mean by a life cycle? A life cycle means a person starting to ending, right? So anything, not only a person, anything from starting to ending, it's gonna be said like, they birth, they grown up, and they do the job, and they died. Something like that. It's a human being life cycle. In the same way, we do have a life cycle for different things. For example, if you see the life cycle for uh, life cycle for the software SDLCs, all those calls, there are some type of methodologies where how it's gonna be start and how it's gonna be end, right? It is similar type of a life cycles. Like that, we do have a some type of a life cycle in the Maven too. So now we have three different life cycles, that is called, one is build, one is clean, and one is site. So there are three different. One is by default, we do have the build, and there is a clean, and there is a site. So these are called three life cycles. Get it? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, so yesterday we have seen about the two things, like we have seen this test, right? When we do the test, we have seen it generated the
Yes.
list of things over there, and we have seen the packaging, right? The packaging in the sense like the jar file, war file, rar file, all these things we have seen, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now today we'll see
Yes.
one more thing called install. Okay. So I'll show you that first. Now you can see this target file is there, right? So I'll do the cleaning first. So it out. Now I'm gonna be do the one more goal called install colon. I forgot the, it should be smaller. Okay. Let me see. Sorry. Yeah. Did you see the target is created?
Yes.
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
when I run this install, I directly given the plugin name. I did not given any goal like colon something, right? Did you notice?
Yes.
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 Now, for some goals, for some tasks, there is no need of providing any goal. So by calling the plugin name itself, you can able to get it and install the whatever the task, whatever the job it has to do, it will complete it. Okay. Now, if I say install directly, there is no particular goal inside it. But if you see the other things we have seen, like, jar, var, something like that, we do have the particular assigned task is available for the particular plugin, right?
Yes.
So now if you see this inside the target, it is created the installation. So this is the installation part where it is, you can create the jar file and all the things, all the information of your project, means like what is the resources, okay, and surefire reports, all these things it is going to be provided. This is called install. So now these are all the subtasks of a particular build. This is one of the life cycle, is called a build, means like you can validate, you can compile, you can do the test cases, executions, and you can do the packaging, integration test, all these things you can do. Okay. In the same way, we do have, yesterday we have seen the clean, right? So in the clean,
Yes.
we right, we have a different task like pre-clean, clean, and post-clean. All these things, we have the different tasks which we can able to perform here. And we do have the site. With this site also, we can able to generate. Yesterday, we have seen the site information, correct? Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
So in the same way, we can able to generate the site information. For that, we do have some more pre-task and post-task, like pre-site, post-site, and site deploy. So, okay. Now, if you ask me, Moulali, like you are saying site, right? What I can expect if you do the pre-site means whatever the things which is required for the site information, this will execute and keep it ready. Okay. Whatever the things, if you execute the post site means after the site, whatever the things you need to do, that will be done by the post site job. Like that, we are going to be execute each and every task so that you can able to perform their job in the Eclipse. Okay. Get it?
Yeah.
So like that, we do have the 3 different life cycles in the Maven. So we don't have, for example, what will happen, basically, when I'm inserting this versions, for example, 4.3.2, I want to go for the 4.13.3. Sometimes when I changing the dependency, sometimes, I'm not saying like every time, sometimes it will not refresh properly in the Maven. Sometimes it will happen because due to some issue in the IDE, the version will not change, but it will keep on referring the older version. At that time, what we need to do, we need to clean it. Clean it means it will clean all the dependencies and it will reinstall from the initially, whatever the dependencies are there, freshly it will bring it from the Maven repository and it load it. So that is what does by the clean job, like that. So that is the way we can able to execute that particular life cycle. In the same way, we do have the site information where we can able to generate the complete project information, right? So if you see here, build site. So generate a dependencies report, everything it will be there. If you see here, we got the site. Inside the site, you can see the index. If you go here inside Google Chrome, and you can see all the dependencies information, whatever the things it is there. For example, let me add one more dependency and I'll show you that. Okay, I have added the Selenium dependency. I'm saving now. Once I did the save, then all the Selenium dependencies are available. Okay, clear? Now I do the
Yeah.
site information now.
Now,
Site colon site. Okay, now it is done. So if it is 9:57, and now I am gonna be generate this one in another tab. Will show the difference dependency. If you see here, Selenium we have. It will go into the Selenium side,
yes.
and if you see in the previous one, yeah, sorry. If I refresh, I think it will go. Yeah, I want to show the difference between previously we do have only these two. We got the other one too, right?
Yes.
All the things it's
Selenium,
been.
yes.
So all the Selenium, everything, all the dependencies information is available now. Okay. So whatever the license of that, everything you can able to see. Clear? So in the same way, we can
Yeah.
able to
How will
generate.
pre-clean and post-clean?
For example, if you want to generate the execute the pre-clean, it is in the clean, right?
Yes.
Yes. Clean colon pre-clean.
Did I do anything wrong? Clean. So we are executed the directly the particular goal. So for example, if I want to use the post hyphen clean. So if you go inside that, if you read about the each and every step, then you will able to understand what exactly and why exactly these things are there. Okay, so it is self-readable. So you just understand, right? We do have the different life cycles and how to use those life cycles. And whenever it is read right, you can able to just read it and do it. That's the way. You cannot able to remember 100% all the things, but only the point depends on your need. You have to search and implement whatever the things you need to do. The maximum percentage we use in our real-time package, real-time projects, we use install or deploy and the packaging or the clean. The maximum we use the clean and the site purpose. That is what we do. Rest of the things, not pretty much we do. Sometimes we do this validate and compile, but not really. Okay, get it?
Okay.
Any questions on this? So if we does this Maven, then we are completed the our Java. I did not remember anything else I left. I mean, in terms of a concept, I'll check the syllabus. We do have some sort of a syllabus. Probably if I find anything, I'll take it up
Yeah, in
tomorrow.
a Excel sheet.
What was it?
It was written in a Excel sheet in the repository.
Okay. Can someone open that?
I'm trying to find it, but my internet is so slow. If I find it, I will share.
Anyone? Can I share my screen? Yes. Anyone? Can you open that thing? Mhm. Can you download this one? It is so bigger, Nageshwari. No, go to the repo. Go to the repo, Nageshwari. Okay. Either your browser is increase the size. Can you click on the right side 3 dots? Right side, top. Okay. Right
Top
side, top.
right.
Yeah. It's only 100%, but I don't know, like it's showing very much big. Okay. Open that. Yeah, now it is much better. Yeah, now open that, Nageshwari. Okay. Manjunath?
Yeah, Moulali.
Manjunath, so these are the pretty much concepts where it is needed for you for next level, Manjunath, for the whatever you see,
Okay.
the Spring Boot, everything. So these with these concepts, you can able to move on.
Okay, got it. Moulali. Yeah.
It's opening, Nageshwari. Yeah, Indra, can you stop recording?